Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit a message on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Messenger app and click on the conversation where you sent the message you want to edit. This could be a one-on-one chat with a friend or a group conversation. Just tap on it to open the full message thread. Once you're inside the conversation, scroll through your messages and find the specific message you want to edit. This is the message that might have a typo, an error, or something you'd like to rephrase. Take a moment to locate it in the chat thread. Now, once you've found the message, press and hold on that message. This will bring up a menu with several options for interacting with the message. Holding down on the message is the key action here as it unlocks the editing and other message management features. After the menu appears, look for and click on the option that says More. This expands the available actions you can take with this particular message, giving you access to additional features beyond the standard quick reactions. From the expanded menu, you'll now see an option labeled Edit. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the message in an editable format, allowing you to make changes to what you originally sent. The ability to edit messages is incredibly useful for fixing mistakes or clarifying something you said without having to delete and resend the entire message. Now you can edit the message however you need to. You might want to fix a typo error, correct an autocorrect mistake, or even change the whole message entirely. If you need to rephrase what you were trying to say, just type your corrections or new text directly into the message field. Once you're done making your changes and you're happy with how the message looks, click the check icon to save your edits. This confirms your changes and updates the message in the conversation. The edited message will appear with a small indicator showing that it's been edited, so the other person knows it was modified after being sent. And that's it. You've successfully edited your message on Facebook Messenger, making it quick and easy to fix any errors without the hassle of deleting and retyping everything. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.